How to disable warn about malicious sites on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable warn about malicious sites on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings, and here you will find this one here, browsing privacy dashboard. Click on it and then just click this one, warn about malicious sites. If you want to disable it, just click on it one click, and as you see, warn about malicious sites have been disabled. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.